Today in chapter 4 climate we will discuss about the rhythm of seasons. In India, in our monsoon climate, we do go through the four seasons during the year. One is cold weather season, another is hot weather season, next is southwest monsoon season, this is rainy season. Fourth is retreating season of monsoon. In this video, we will discuss about the cold weather season. This season of cold weather start from the mid-November and last till mid of February. In any of the season, there are some elements like temperature, rainfall, pressure and wind are the important feature. So we will discuss all these elements of weather: temperature, rainfall, air pressure and wind movement one by one. Very first, temperature. And temperature of India is differ. We have to discuss this topic in two parts. One is the temperature of North India, another is the temperature of South India, because no doubt temperature across the country falls. That's why this is winter season, but still there are significant difference in the temperature of North India, because this experience the subtropical climate, as this is in the north of Tropic of Cancer, and the part of India which falls in the south of Tropic of Cancer, that is South India, experiences tropical climate. And what are the reason during this temperature changes, temperature differences, we will discuss in this. Very first, the temperature of North India. November as the beginning of winter, December and January are the coldest month of year in North India, especially in the northwestern part, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and all the Himalayan state. Mean temperature in North Indian plain is 21 degrees Celsius. Temperature during the night is quite low. At time, temperature falls below 0 degree in some of the Indian states. This is the main center where temperature falls very significantly. In parts of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, there is a significant fall in the temperature. And the reason behind this temperature change, this excessive cold in North India, there are three reasons. One, the Punjab, Haryana are far from the sea and experience continental climate, and there is snowfall in the nearby region of Himalayan ranges in the state of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttaranchal, and a cold wind blow from Caspian Sea. You just see, this is the reason where temperature falls up to the 0 degree, and people of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan experience excessive cold. Reasons, this reason which I already told you is far away from the sea and do not and falls under the influence of moderating weather of sea. And whenever there is snowfall in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttaranchal, there is a fall in temperature of this region as well. And the wind which come from the Siberia, from the Caspian Sea side, reduce the temperature of Tibetan region, and a cold air mass occur over this region, which influence over the temperature of this region as well. Right, that is why these are the three reasons which due to which there is excessive cold in North India. But the temperature of South India is different, because there is no well defined cold weather. There is hardly seasonal change in coastal areas due to proximity of sea. And tropical region of peninsula remain not so cold as this is close to the equator. And hills of Western Ghat sometimes experience little fall in temperature, that's why they remain cool. The Western Ghat hills remain cool during the winter season only in South India. When it's come to the pressure and wind, as we know, there is a relation of temperature as well as pressure. Whenever temperature falls, pressure increases, and same happen by the end of December. In north of tropical Cancer, season is characterized by high pressure over the northern plain. In South India, air pressure slightly lower, right? It is like that. This is the area of high pressure. A isobar of 1019 is joining this region. But as we move towards south, temperature pressure decreases. Right? Now, due to this pressure change, because temperature pressure is higher in North India, here pressure is higher, and there is falling pressure in southern India toward the Indian Ocean. That's why the movement of wind is from north to south, and the winds are always influenced by the topography. That is also influence the direction of wind. Due to the low pressure gradient, wind flow from northwest to south under the influence of topography. Wind are westernized in Ganga plain, northern line in Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Weather is pleasant during the winter. Sometime it gets disturbed by the western cyclonic depression, right? The wind movement here in northern plains is from west to east, but in this delta this move from north to south as well in Bangladesh, right? Now, when it's come to rainfall, there is no significant rain during the winter as wind blow from land to sea. So there is dearth of moisture. Wind come from land and blow toward the sea. There is less of moisture. High pressure area in the northwest create anticyclonic condition. This is the part of Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Some exception of rainfall are northwest India receive rain from western cyclonic disturbance, and also these western cyclones cause snowfall in Himalayan states. Central part of India receive occasional rain, the parts of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. But the Coromandel coast receives significant rainfall from northeast monsoon. This is the region where rainfall is significant. Otherwise, rest of the country do not receive rain from the monsoon. Right? This part of Punjab, Haryana receive rain from the cyclone which come from the west, which originate from the Mediterranean Sea, and also receive the parts of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal and Uttaranchal snowfall from this cyclone. But there is enough rainfall in this part of the country, that is Coromandel coast in the state of Tamil Nadu, from the northeast monsoon. Right? Thank you. This is all about the weather condition of winter season.